and welcome to this guided shamanic journey for grounding and connecting with Mother Earth using Septarian Crystal. Before we start, find a quiet, comfortable space where you won't be disturbed. You can dim the lights or light candles if you like. Lie down on your back or sit comfortably with your back straight and your feet on the earth. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths, inhaling peace and exhaling any tension. In and out. In and out. If you have a Septarian Crystal, hold it in your non-dominant hand. Feel its coolness and weight. If you don't, imagine the crystal sitting in your hand and imagine its coolness and its weight and feel the connection to it in your mind. Imagine yourself sinking your awareness down through your body, past your toes and into the ground beneath you. Feel the solidity of the earth, its unwavering support. With each inhale, visualize the roots growing from your feet, burrowing deeper into the earth. With each exhale, feel yourself becoming more grounded, more connected to the core of the planet. Focus on the Septarian Crystal in your hand. Imagine its golden veins pulsing with energy, like miniature rivers of light. Feel these rivers of light entering your body through the palm of your hand, flowing up into your arm, into your shoulders, down your other arm, and up into your head, and down your spine, through your heart, into your abdomen, into your hips, down into your thighs, your legs, your feet, and further down, right down to Mother Earth. Feel the connection to Mother Earth through these rivers of light. Feel your consciousness traveling on it, connecting with Mother Earth. Take slow, deep breaths. As you inhale, feel the earth gently rise beneath you. As you exhale, feel it settle back down. Allow your own breath to synchronize with the earth's rhythm. Feel a sense of peace and belonging wash over you as you become one with the pulse of the planet. As you breathe, you feel the gentle heartbeat of Mother Earth. Faint in the beginning, but the more you connect, the stronger it gets. You feel the heartbeat, the connection, and you feel your own breathing, your own heartbeat, synchronizing with the breathing and the heartbeat of Mother Earth. this newfound connection, you can ask Mother Earth a question that's in your mind. Be open to receiving answers through images, emotions, or intuitive knowing. Whatever's best for you, Mother Earth and your soul will know. I give you a few moments to receive the messages from Mother Earth. When you're ready, gently bring your awareness back to your body. Wiggle your fingers and toes. Notice the feeling of being grounded. Take a few deep breaths, thanking Mother Earth for her wisdom and support. Slowly open your eyes and take a moment to reorient yourself to your surroundings. Carry the feeling of groundedness and connection with you throughout your day. If you like, you can write down your experiences and messages you received from Mother Earth, or you can incorporate it into any artwork you like, whether it be through images, crafts, or whatever else feels strong to you. You may want to take a walk out in nature. Maybe bring some food or seeds with you that you can give back to the earth as a token of your gratitude. Thank you for listening to this guided meditation, and I hope we will meet again soon. In the meantime, don't forget to like and subscribe for more meditations, shamanic tips and tricks, and crystal wisdom. Until then, have a nice time.